How much should you actually spend on a garage door opener? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Genie Chain Drive 550. First up is the Genie Chain Drive 550. This heavy-duty opener caught my eye with its reliable build and fair price of $158.08. If you want a dependable garage door opener that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features a robust chain drive system that ensures long-lasting operation, which means you won't have to worry about it breaking down anytime soon. This opener can handle residential garage doors and comes with 2 pre-programmed remotes and a wireless keypad, which is super handy. It also includes safety beams that prevent accidents, giving you peace of mind when your kids or pets are around. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 3,500 reviews, people clearly trust it. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take your time and follow the instructions, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable opener without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a smart opener with advanced tech features. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the installation issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Chamberlain Wall Mount Mic. Next is the Chamberlain Wall Mount Mic Garage Door Opener. Priced at $506.49, this model is on the higher end, but it's packed with features. If you want a quiet and space-saving solution, this one's worth considering. This opener stands out with its ultra-quiet operation, making it perfect for homes with attached garages. It mounts to the wall, freeing up ceiling space and eliminating noisy overhead movements. Plus, it has a battery backup, ensuring you can always access your garage, even during outages. The integrated smart technology allows you to control it from your smartphone through the Mic app. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 580 reviews, it's well regarded. However, some users found the setup process complicated, especially for the smart features. But if you're tech-savvy, setting it up can be quite rewarding. This is ideal for those who prioritize a quiet garage and smart features. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or need something more straightforward. If you want peace and quiet, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smart home integration. Product number 3, Genie Stealth Drive Connect. Now we have the Genie Stealth Drive Connect Smart Belt Drive Garage Door Opener, retailing at $271. If you're looking for a quieter option that blends with smart home tech, this is a solid choice. The 1.25 HPC motor and steel-reinforced belt drive make this opener ultra-quiet, which is great if your garage is connected to your living space. Plus, it comes with Aladdin Connect technology, letting you control it remotely with your smartphone. That means you can open or close your garage from anywhere, which is super convenient. It's rated 4.4 stars by over 5,000 users, showing it's a favorite among many. A downside is that it requires a compatible app and setup can take some time. But once you get it going, it's a breeze. This is perfect for tech enthusiasts or anyone wanting to modernize their garage. Skip this if you don't want to deal with smart technology. For the features, it's a pretty good deal. Now, if the tech aspect isn't for you, let's look at a more traditional option. Product number 4, Genie Chain Drive 500. Next up is the Genie Chain Drive 500, priced at $148.86. If you're after an affordable, straightforward opener, this one's a great contender. This model is all about reliability, making it a dependable choice for those who just want something that works without any fuss. The 1/2 HP motor ensures that it can handle standard residential doors, and it has a self-diagnostic safety beam system to prevent accidents. It comes with a remote and wall control, making operation simple. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's proven to be a solid performer. However, some users noted that it can be a bit noisy, especially if you have a garage attached to your living space. Here's my take. If noise isn't a major concern for you, it's really a great value. This is perfect if you want something reliable on a budget. Skip this if you're looking for a quiet or smart option. For the price, you can't really go wrong. Alright, That wraps up the budget-friendly choices. But if you want something quieter and more modern, stick around for our final pick. Product number 5, Genie Quiet Lift Connect. Finally, we have the Genie Quiet Lift Connect, which sells for $259.88. If you want a smart and quiet option, this might just be what you need. The integrated Aladdin Connect technology allows you to control this opener using your smartphone, which is super convenient. Plus, it features a 3/4 HPC motor, making it efficient for lifting heavier doors up to 500 pounds. This opener is designed for quiet operation, ideal for homes where noise can be a problem. It's rated 4.4 stars by nearly 2,000 users, showing that many people appreciate its performance. One downside is that some users found the installation instructions to be a bit vague. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's a fantastic addition to your smart home. This is perfect if you're looking for a balance of technology and quiet operation. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, more traditional opener. For its features, I think it provides good value. And there you have it. To wrap things up, we've looked at the Genie Chain Drive 550, Chamberlain Wall Mount Mic, Genie Stealth Drive Connect, Genie Chain Drive 500, and Genie Quiet Lift Connect. Each one has its strengths, whether it's budget-friendly, smart technology, or quiet operation. Depending on your needs, there's definitely an opener that's just right for you.